Hello, Dr.Day and I are here from Steinway Family Dental Center. We get a lot of questions about bad breath, and today we're going to answer some of those most common questions that we got from you guys about bad breath. And the first question is, what is bad breath? Well, when you stay next to somebody and they start talking to you and you can smell the breath and you don't want to smell that? That's bad breath. The next question is, how is it defined clinically? Well, interesting question, because there's different reasons why people have bad breath. So you have halitosis is one of them. That's pretty much it. What are the most common causes of bad breath? Well, number one, of course, it could come from not getting your cleaning, like unclean teeth and gums, right? If you have inflammation, infection, there is a very smelly bacteria, and we do introduce bacteria with our food. Some of them are good bacteria, some bad, but some so smelly that you can actually smell it a distance away that somebody has bad breath, right? What is halitosis and how is it different from occasional bad breath? Well, halitosis actually refers to bad breath that comes from the mouth and that has a cause that is caused by bacteria, right? When we have bad breath simply because we did not brush our teeth and as soon as we're done brushing, we're good, then some of it is more reversible than others. So that is the difference between the two, right? If you have decay in the tooth and you smell the decayed tooth, that is also a possibility that could be a cause of bad breath. As well as tonsil stones, when people have them, you get really bad breath. So it depends on what's wrong, right? I would recommend that you see a dentist and determine why exactly is that you have bad breath. The next question we got is, can wisdom teeth contribute to bad breath? Well, it depends. If the wisdom teeth are grown up, healthy, they're fully exposed, you can easily clean them, then probably not. But, however, a lot of the times we get wisdom teeth and the soft tissue half covering it, which is just like a big pocket for all the food that's getting stuck there. The bacteria gets inside there. And all this food are basically oxidizing and becomes smelly with the bacteria that is also contributing to this factor. So there is inflammation and infection at the same time there, and of course it stinks, right? And that is bad breath. The next question is it normal to have bad breath after tooth extraction? I would say most of the time people do get bad breath after the tooth extraction. It's simply they can't really keep it clean because there's a wound in there and they're trying to baby it, and because of that, yes, there is accumulation of different particles inside there or next to the area where the tooth extraction happened, and because of that there is some bad breath. But that is a temporary bad breath, and compared to halitosis that people get, this is reversible, right? What are some of the signs that bad breath is rather chronic than occasional? Well, occasional would be, let's say, like we were just talking about it, if somebody had an extraction, this is a temporary condition. As soon as it heals, you would be back cleaning it well and the bad breath is gone. However, if you have chronic condition, like you have gum disease that you haven't seen a dentist, and you think, I'm brushing and flossing, why do I have a bad breath? Meanwhile, subgingival, underneath the gum line, you still have bacteria hiding, and it's completely painless, so you don't feel anything. But in reality, people around you don't want to be too close to you, right? Usually it's our close ones, like the spouses that would tell us, or even children, when they're little, they're so straightforward. They love you, but they're like, oh, daddy, but your breath stinks, right? And this is when you should get a clue and come see the dentist about that. The next question is, what dental treatment are available for bad breath? Well, first of all, you need to diagnose it. You have to know, where is it coming from? Is it coming from your teeth, or is it coming from your throat? Is it coming from your stomach? All of this have place, right? But let's assume that it does come from your mouth and you want to treat it. The way to treat it would be first to start with the good cleaning and see if that's going to resolve it. If you don't have any cavities, most likely that's going to help you. If there are some cavities or there's gum disease that the regular cleaning is not going to save you for, then there's other procedures that could be done for it. The next question is what kind of mouthwash or toothpaste we would recommend for getting rid of the halitosis or bad breath. Really does not matter. Something that has xylitol in it, that will help you with that. But if you keeping your mouth clean, regular water would do the same thing. So mouthwash does not matter. As far as toothpaste, again, the toothpaste has a little slightly different purpose, and we basically choose it a lot of times based on the taste rather than the functions of it. So it really does not matter. The purpose of it is to keep the area moist when you brush your teeth, so you don't damage your gums or teeth by brushing. So any toothpaste and any mouthwash or just water would do the trick. What are the home remedies to reduce the bad breath? Well, number one, of course, getting your teeth cleaned. Just get a floss between every single tooth, and get your toothbrush. Spend time with it. It should take you at least 1 minute per arch. 1 minute on the bottom, 1 minute on the top. If you haven't seen a dentist, maybe spend double the time. Make sure everything is clean and see if that helped you. But the best way is still go see a dentist. How can someone tell if you have bad breath? Interesting question. Well, if you have your loved ones, they can totally tell you. What if you live by yourself, you're alone? A lot of people do this test, like, and then they start smelling it, and you can smell it, or sometimes you cannot smell it. The same thing as if somebody uses a lot of cologne, right, and they start putting it on themselves, and then after a while they don't even know if they did it or not because they can't smell the cologne. People around them smell it, but not them. So the best way if somebody will do that for you. The next question is it possible to get rid of bad breath permanently? The answer is yes, it is possible, but it depends what is the cause of that bad breath. I hope I've been able to shine some light on this subject for you guys. And if you have any more questions or specific questions that we did not answer today, you can totally call us or request an appointment with me, and I will take a look at it with you directly, and we will find out exactly why do you have bad breath, or if you have a bad breath, and how do we remedy this? How do we help you so you get rid of it for good? You can give us a call at 718-728-3314, or you can find us online on alldentalneeds.com and request an appointment, and somebody will get back to you.